Federal agents arrested 2 judges tied to separate immigration-related cases. In Wisconsin, sitting judge Hannah Dugan was charged with obstruction after allegedly helping an undocumented man, Eduardo Flores Ruiz, avoid arrest by ICE agents. The incident happened inside her courtroom. She reportedly directed ICE to go elsewhere, then helped the man leave through a restricted door. He ran from agents outside but was eventually caught. In New Mexico, former Judge Joel Cano and his wife were arrested after federal agents found they had been housing Christian Ortega, a suspected gang member from Venezuela. Ortega had been living on their property. Cano admitted to destroying Ortega's phone. He denies knowing about any gang connection. These arrests mark a tougher stance from the Trump administration. Officials say anyone who obstructs immigration enforcement will face prosecution. Critics call it intimidation of the judiciary and say it's an overreach of executive power. Eduardo Flores Ruiz, the undocumented man Judge Dugan allegedly protected, had been deported before and never legally re-entered the U.S. He was facing charges for violently assaulting 2 people, allegedly punching a man around 30 times and seriously injuring a woman. Both victims were hospitalized. Judge Dugan denied the reports, saying the media accounts were inaccurate, but didn't respond to follow-up calls. Attorney General Pam Bondi publicly condemned Dugan's actions, stressing that obstructing a criminal case, especially one involving domestic violence, was inexcusable. Milwaukee Mayor Cavalier Johnson criticized the Trump administration, calling the arrest political showboating. He warned that these tactics discourage people from appearing in court, which could undermine public safety. Republican State Rep Bob Donovan also weighed in, calling the judge's alleged conduct unprecedented and supporting the FBI's investigation. The arrests of both judges have sparked a heated national debate over the balance between immigration enforcement and judicial independence. Supporters of the Trump administration argue that the judge's actions were a clear obstruction of federal law and endangered public safety. Critics, however, view the arrests as part of a broader strategy to intimidate the judiciary and criminalize dissent within the legal system. As the legal process unfolds, the controversy underscores the deep divide over immigration policy and the role of courts in upholding or resisting federal enforcement efforts.